Do you want a flawless foundation look? Here's how you get it. Hello everyone, my name is Carrie and I am Glamonista08 online. And today we are going to be talking about how to get an easy foundation base that's flawless for the fall time. And I'm going to be using this amazing foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills that you can get right here on eCosmetics.com. This foundation alone is an amazing product, okay? I love this, but the application technique is super simple. In order to get a flawless foundation, you just want to make sure you have two things, technically three, okay? First, a good prep. Second, a good foundation. Third, a good tool. As long as you have those things, you're all set. So I primed my face prior to applying this foundation and I used the e.l.f. Putty Primer, something you can also get from eCosmetics. If you can find a primer like the e.l.f. primer that has a nice silicone base, it'll smooth out your pores and leave you with a nice hydrated but not greasy finish. Next, you're going to apply your foundation. This foundation is great because it gives you a natural finish, but it's also luminous, hence the name. So it gives you a nice glow as well. And rather than applying this and caking it on really easily, I recommend starting out with one pump of foundation, no matter what you're using. Apply it on the back of your hand, and then from there, take a finger and put little dots on the areas that you need it. You do not need foundation all over your face. 9 times out of 10, you only really need it in the center of the face to even out the complexion. You can pile on this foundation on any other areas that you need extra coverage, if you're breaking out, if you have hyperpigmentation. And then you take your tool. I'm using a really awesome blending sponge that is an eCosmetics sponge, and you want to stipple and blend your foundation that way all the way around your face and on your neck, your jawline area, so it blends with your neck. Then you just set your foundation with the powder that works for you and you have a flawless base. I told you it was easy.